I look at a digital thread as simply connecting the dots. Look around, nothing's just mechanical. Every single product has mechanical, software, and electrical components. So a digital thread simply is just how do you connect those functionalities? How do you connect those people? An electrical engineer doesn't want all the mechanical stuff, or doesn't want all the software stuff, but they do all interact and they all do have to play together. I still remember an admiral of the US Navy was taking me through a ship, and he said, "We gotta stop this Swiss cheese." "What Swiss cheese?" And he was pointing to a bulkhead that had all these holes. And only like 3 of the 20 holes on this bulkhead were actually being used. It had a pipe going through it or a wire or something. He goes, "We call that Swiss cheese." You know why? That's because the people doing the pipes aren't talking to the people that are doing the bulkhead. Well, now think about that with electrical. And then add software to it. We gotta stop the Swiss cheese and make all these domains iterate on each other so that we come up with optimal design. Another great example of that is from a car company. In order to make sure that they had enough wiring, they had miles, literally miles of extra wiring that was never used in a car. At huge cost, because the electrical guy wasn't talking to the mechanical guy, talking to the software guy, talking to the power guy. That's the whole idea of a digital thread. It's putting all those things together so you can come up with an optimal result. Think of what's changed in the last 10 years in our software stack. Many more digital threads, absolutely best electrical solutions, great software solutions that are talking more and more to each other. I believe Siemens software solutions talk better to each other than anybody, by far. Our electrical talks to mechanical, talks to simulation, talks to manufacturing, better than anybody. But it still could be better. And our users are asking us to make that better, and we are. One of the ways we're creating an interaction that improves connections between different disciplines is having something that we call a homepage. All Siemens products are going to have the same homepage, same ability to look at results from different disciplines. So yes, you might be a mechanical engineer if you're using NX, but you'll be able to see the electrical input and be able to see how the electrical is interacting with the mechanical. Stop the Swiss cheese. Increase the interaction between electrical and mechanical. And add software to it, add manufacturing to it, add simulation to it, and come up with an optimal best product.